Welcome. My name is Mansoor Nathani, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up SSH passwordless or key-based authentication on Ubuntu. The instructions should be pretty similar on any Linux-based system, but in this case, I'm going to be using Ubuntu. So let's get started. The first step is to generate the public/private key pair. The way we're going to do this is we're going to first open up the terminal. I'm logged in with my local user on my local machine. And we're going to use the command ssh-keygen. What this is going to do is it's going to generate the public/private RSA key pair. It's asking us which file to save the key in. We can leave it as the default. Hit enter. Enter the passphrase. I'm not going to use the passphrase in this case, but so let's just go ahead and hit enter there. And the same passphrase again, hit enter. And it should have gone ahead and generated two files, a public key, which is the id_rsa.pub, and the id_rsa, which is the private key. So to have a look at this, we're going to change directory into the .ssh folder. And there we go, two files. So let's see what the contents of the files are. The first one is the private key, which is a bunch of characters, which starts with the begin RSA private key. This key is not supposed to leave your computer. This is supposed to be private and remain on your machine. The public key, however, is what can be shared with the host that you're going to be logging into. So let's see what that one looks like. It's just this text right here. It starts with ssh-rsa and has a bunch of characters and then just an identifier at the end. This identifier at the end is just cosmetic. You can remove it, but it just helps you identify where the key was generated. So the next step, let's go back to the instructions here, is to install the key into the remote SSH system. The way we're going to do that is we're going to ssh-copy-id, then we're going to go -p for port 2295, and the server is going to be dolphin.mnathani.com. Let's try that. It's asking us if the fingerprint is correct. We're going to go ahead and hit yes. And now it's asking us for the password. So let's go ahead and just put the password in there. And one key has been added to the remote server. Now, let's go back to our instructions and see what the next step is. We want to set up the SSH config to log in using that key. So let's go back to the instructions. Vi config. So the host is the name of the server. So it's going to be just the short name. We can call it just Dolphin. Host name is going to be dolphin.mnathani.com. Port is going to be 2295, and user is going to be mnathani. Okay. Write and quit the file. And now if we do SSH Dolphin, we should be able to log in without a password. And there you go. Verify with the host name. It's called exact.hub, but this is the server. Dolphin.mnathani.com is the server right here, and we exit. Actually, we can see the what actually happened in the background. If we look at the authorized keys file, it looks like a whole bunch of gibberish, but I think this key right here, ssh-rsa, ending with mnathani at Ubuntu, is the one that got installed. So if you wanted to do this manually, you could in fact log into the server and paste the key at the end of this file. You can see there's a number of keys in this file already. If we want to see how many, we can do cat authorized keys pipe wc-l to show us how many lines there are, and there are 5 lines in this file. Let's go back and hit exit, and our connection to Dolphin has been closed. So let's go back to the instructions. We have tested that we could log in without a password at this point, and thank you for watching. Go ahead and hit that like button to motivate me to create more videos and to tell me that you actually like this video. And subscribe to my channel for additional videos. And if you'd like to see something that I haven't covered yet, by all means, leave a comment below, and I will get around to publishing a video on that subject. Thank you.